So, animewear.com is basically an online fashion store selling things like suits, shirts, vests, and Western-style clothing. The prices can look pretty attractive, but there are some serious things I'd check before buying. The biggest concern is the site's reputation. ScamAdvisor gives animewear.com a very low trust score, noting that the domain is very young, the owner's identity is hidden, and the site has limited traffic and history. Gridensoft also classifies it as a suspicious shop with a 1 out of 100 trust score. There's also an interesting detail on the website itself. The store appears under the name howtothomas Fashion, including in the customer testimonials and copyright information. That's something I'd want to understand before placing an order. So, is animewear.com a scam? I wouldn't make that claim as an established fact, but there are enough warning signs that I'd personally avoid taking the risk. Overall, if you really like something on the site, verify the business details, look for independent customer experiences, and use a payment method with strong buyer protection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.